type 2 error and monitoring health of milling cutter. The key points is the concrete distinction between labels and the discriminatory removes data points that have been classified correctly.
The key takeaway I have understood through this research paper is segregation of undefined condition issues, unknown or environmental noise-caused vibrations can be misclassified into existing labels. Approach followed was introduced a discriminated module that assesses incoming data against their known training distribution.
This paper is on type 2 error reduced for this cutting tool monitoring. In this paper, machining operation is taking for face milling and the operation is conducted for 3 hours and on the mile stick. In that 6 types of faults are considered to analyze the study: crank wear, notch wear, crater wear, nose wear, built up edge and edge fraction. After that, one is the healthy cutting tool. Healthy cutting tool is compared to the